Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 24th of November, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Thailand is rapidly transforming its energy landscape, aiming to make electricity more affordable while advancing its clean energy goals. The nation has introduced the Quick Big Win initiative. That is a fast-track national policy designed to lower energy costs and increase income for households and farmers. By 2022, the levelized cost of electricity for new utility-scale solar plants had already become cheaper than both new combined-cycle gas turbines and coal-fired power plants. Azerbaijan is preparing legal changes that could transform large areas of agricultural land into sites for renewable energy while keeping those lands' existing category and primary use. The amendment would enable the deployment of utility-scale solar and onshore wind on farmland without requiring land reclassification or restricting farming activities. This measure is part of a wider package that the government sees as essential for modernizing the power system and meeting growing electrification needs. By the end of October, the total installed power generation capacity in China reached 3.75 terawatts. That is a year-on-year increase of 17.3%. Among that, the installed capacity of solar power generation was 1.14 terawatts. That is a year-on-year increase of 43.8%. The installed capacity of wind power was 590 gigawatts, a year-on-year increase of 21.4%. From January to October, the average utilization of power generation equipment nationwide was 2,619 hours. That is a decrease of 260 hours compared with the same period last year. Turkey has agreed to initiate discussions with the World Bank on a financing package worth up to $6 billion to strengthen the country's electricity transmission, infrastructure, and support its growing renewable energy sector. The funding will be allocated to high-voltage electricity transmission investments. They are seen as critical for accommodating the surge in wind and solar power generation capacity. The financing will play a key role in reaching Turkey's 2035 renewable capacity goal, which envisions 120 gigawatts of installed wind and solar energy. A subsidiary of a Mohammed and Ahmed Al-Khanji Group has signed a strategic agreement with Spain's Windtechnic Engineering in Oman on Monday. This partnership aims to collaborate on the manufacturing and supply of wind towers for renewable energy projects in the Sultanate of Oman. Market studies estimate the wind tower manufacturing sector in Oman to be valued at approximately 120 million Omani riyals. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.